interesting topic. Hope you all will like it. So, without any further delay, let's get started. So, today's topic is Introduction to JavaScript. JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language. It is the programming language of the web. JavaScript is one of the language all web developers must learn. That is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In HTML, JavaScript code is inserted between opening tag script and closing tag script. You can place any number of scripts in an HTML document. Scripts can be placed in the body tag or in the head tag of an HTML page, or in both. Now we are starting with JavaScript in head tag. So to write the code, I am using Sublime Text editor. Starting off with a new file. Starting off with the basic HTML tags. Using script tag in between opening and closing head tag. Here, document.write is used to write HTML output. Saving the file to see the result. Writing the code for script tag within the body tags. Keeping the PID as demo. In this example, a JavaScript function is placed in the body section of an HTML page. The function is invoked or called when a button is clicked. Starting off with a onClick event for the function myFunction. To access an HTML element, JavaScript can use the document.getElementById method. The ID attribute defines the HTML element. The inner HTML property defines the HTML content. In this particular example, a function myFunction is created, and to access the HTML element, getElementById is used for the PID demo. And on calling upon this function, on an onClick event, try it, the paragraph changed. JavaScript can display data in different ways. Writing into an HTML element using inner HTML. Writing into the HTML output using document.write. Writing into an alert box using window.alert. Writing into the browser console using console.log. We'll discuss this topic one by one in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned. And if you find my content useful, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. In the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.